Skylar.
Door picture. Door picture.
Dora's picture. What's today? What is it?
Birthday picture.
Birthday. Whose birthday?
My birthday.
What's your name?
Daddy picture.
Look at Grandma. What's your name?
Daddy picture.
And what's today? Is today your birthday? Can you stand up so I can see your pretty dress? Let me see your dress. What does it say on it? Skylar, what's on your dress? What does it say? It says birthday. Birthday girl. What's today?
Okay? Here.
Skylar, look at Grandma so I can see your dress, please. Can I see your dress? Say bye. Little kiss?